work principle of WA67Y100-3200D series bending machines. The oil pump driven by motor draw anti-wear hydraulic oil and fill cylinder. The cylinder rod drives the beam, whose bottom can be fixed on different mode to move up and down reciprocatingly. With the occlude of the up and down moving mode and the mode of bottom work table surface, the material filled in between modes is bended into a certain angle. This machine adopts synchronous mechanical torsion to keep both cylinder on left and right sides to act synchronously through torsion from the round rolling shaft. This is a rigid synchronous torsion equipment. Electrical adjustment of beam trip is adjusted by the spacing of the hydraulic cylinder to determine the minimum location of the beam, and through the motor to adjust the minimum location of the beam to adapt to the bending of different thickness and angles of work pieces. Electrical adjustment installation of beam trip is of manual fine-tuning function. Back gorge equipment adopts T-style screw mandrel and a general circular parallel to drive back gorge move forward and back. The back gorge is driven by motor and is of manual fine-tuning function. High-performance rotary encoder adopts a domestic brand which offers a precision and visual feedback of the location of back gorge and beam bottom dead point. Operating system is a professional ACL bending machine digital showing device which is designed specifically for the bending machine. This device can display and adjust the location of back gorge and the beam bottom dead point through intuitive operation. The special upper cheese block flexivity crowning equipment can mechanically, partly, and intuitively fine-tune the bending angle arrow. Outfitted with hydraulic flexible crowning working table is designed based on the structural characteristics of table settings. It consists of front and back support plates and a main work table in the middle. The plates are used for flexivity crowning and achieving hydraulic crowning through convex movement of the bottom work table. Finally, ensure the accuracy of machine. Bending mode adopts common standards of sheet metal industries to meet the needs of processing plates with different thickness. Support sheet frame is installed on the front to help workers feeding. The hydraulic cylinder adopts NOK Japanese sealing element to avoid oil leakage. Domestic brands integrate hydraulic system. The system adopts German Rexroth technology to control machine movements. Stable valve group keep the system performance normally. Key components are used Schneider, whose performance is stable and reliable. Cutting sleeve type tubing joints without permeability keep maintenance facilitate. The methods of operation. Firstly, after initial installation according to the instruction, add hydraulic oil, inspect hydraulic oil scale and exterior of machines, as well as whether the beam is blocked. Secondly, connect the power according to the logo, and quickly shut down the pumps after confirming its direction. Check running direction of back gorge. Thirdly, if it agrees with the logo, work it 3 to 5 minutes unloaded, and then begin formal work. Fourthly, adjust the bending mode according to the thickness, shape, width, and the angle required. Select the right V-groove. Fifthly, according to the bending sequence and angle of workpiece, adjust location of back gorge and the travel route of slider, namely the bottom dead point. After finishing these preparations, we can start bending. The daily maintenance of products. Give daily lubrication to machine components, screw, guides, as well as those with the bearing lubrication maintenance signs. Check the existence of leakage of cylinder and nitrogen cylinder. In the high temperature and humid conditions, maintain surface rust-proof of the back gorge material, blades, and metal exposed in the air. Pay attention to the ultra-thick shearing and high-intensity operations, which lead to parts breakage of machine tool.